Good morning. My name is Espailin Marceline. In that short video, I will present myself and talk a little bit about my background and what I expect for this class. Those will be the main points I will talk about. Like I said, my name is Espailin Marceline. For background, I can say that I am a biochemistry and marketing major. I am a senior and I will graduate in May. I take this class because I would like to know more. I would like to know more about bioinformatics. I would like to know how to use different programs to study maybe a protein sequence and maybe find some answers using technology. Something I did interesting last summer, I took a 6 credit Spanish class and I took also bioethics plus the COVID class. I took a lot of classes because I didn't have much to do, so I spent the time to learn a new language, and I'm pretty happy about this. What I hope to get out of this class is not to be so afraid about bioinformatics. And when I think about it, I don't want to think only it is about programming or creating your own program so you can study something in genetics and something else. So I always have a fear about studying a new computer language and also genetics. Genetic wasn't my favorite class. So I took that class to help me overcome that fear of computer and biology at the same time because I really like biology and biochemistry. That's all about me. Thank you for watching my video.